Hey y'all, what is up everybody? What is up YouTube? Sparking Mark here. I'm back to do an enveloping of a certain item. And what do I have on this certain item in question? It's from Real Fiction Studios, and it's a signed photo. And what is it a signed photo of? So, enough chit chat. Let's wrap it up and see what's inside. Open it up and see what's inside. Like right now. Let's go. Alrighty, folks, what was in that envelope? And it's an autograph for Friday the 13th Vengeance. That's right, Friday the 13th Vengeance. And this signature, what you're looking at, is from Jason Brooks. Jason Brooks played Jason in Friday the 13th Vengeance, and it's more than a fan film, but also would later direct the second one, which was Friday the 13th Vengeance 2, Bloodlines. Tom McLaughlin, of course, came back for the sequel. He's in this one as well. He plays the caretaker of the graves, of the Voorhees graves. And C.J. Graham, who played Jason in Part 6 and Hell Coffin Highway to Hell, but he's always known as Jason number 6. He plays Elias Voorhees, Jason's father. Wow, Jason's dad. What are the odds, folks? Jason's father. And among other things, you meet the dad in the opening of the movie, and then you see the caretaker. That was going to be the caretaker and Jason's dad was going to be seen in Part 6, but ultimately the studio would say they would be focusing on a 60-year-old dude instead of Jason. So yeah, they didn't want to go that route. But there is a footage of that, Bob Larkin, who played the caretaker. You're going to hear his voice, and you see the storyboard arts that was going to be originally shown. And Jason's father had a much bigger beard than this one, but ultimately it's what they have. So yeah. And has anybody seen Friday the 13th Vengeance? Let me know in the description box down below. Also, what do you guys think of the Friday the 13th movies? Have you seen them? Let me know. And also, folks, I already got Jason Brooks. I want to take a picture with him if he comes to a convention. Also, I want to meet the writer and the director and actor, Tom McLaughlin. I gotta say some stuff. I gotta have him sign somewhere in here. And I want to meet C.J. Graham again, and this time I want him to write his character in there, Elias Voorhees, or Mr. Voorhees. So anybody has not seen, if anybody doesn't have any editions of Friday the 13th movies, not even Part 6, I'll leave you the link in the description box for meeting Mr. Voorhees, Jason's father. So yeah. In the original version of Tom McLaughlin's movie, Part 6, the caretaker did not die in his original version. But of course, his character died in his second version because he needs to up the ante with the kills. So he played the caretaker, so yeah. Because sadly, Bob Larkin passed on a couple years ago, so God rest his soul. So I can't wait for another Friday the 13th fan film, which of course is Blood Loss. You can still donate for now, but it's in the YouTube community, so check that one out, folks. So yeah, I'll leave it in the description box for that. So y'all, if you like content like this or other content, please click the bell on the subscribe button to be notified of all new uploads. Like the videos, always appreciate your thumbs ups. Have any opinion related to the content, comments down below. And always appreciate the thumbs ups. Plus, I'm in the YouTube community. I often post what time I post videos at a certain time, whether it be the early afternoon hours or the early evening hours. So keep an eye on that, including links for any pre-orders from either Kickstarter or Indiegogo. Or, of course, for any autograph places that I often talk about, or leave, of course, in the description box down below as well. The links. So, yeah. And what else? Let's give a shout out to the collectors out there, to the physical media collectors, the toy collectors, and all you collectors out there. Shout outs to you all, especially, let's give a shout out to my subscribers. No, you know who you are. Shout outs to you guys. So yeah. So y'all, this is Sparking Mark signing off. Y'all take care. God bless you. Hear you, and see you on the next vid. Enjoy Wednesday, y'all, and later. Woo.